What if you could talk to your terminal like a human, and it responds not just smartly, but safely too? Imagine blending the intelligence of AI with the power of Linux. Now stop imagining, because it's real. Introducing AI Terminal X, a next-generation AI-powered terminal built by me. I crafted it with love, security, and the raw power of cyber skills. Introduction to the tool AI Terminal X isn't just a normal terminal. It is a smart fusion of artificial intelligence plus cybersecurity principles, plus Python automation, plus prompt engineering, plus Linux terminal control, plus real-time execution, and built-in safety mechanisms. Whether you are a student, a cybersecurity enthusiast, a developer, or a professional, this tool adapts to you. Let us quickly glance at what makes AI Terminal X a complete game-changer. Working of AI Terminal X. When you first launch AI Terminal X, it begins by checking for your AI AAPI key. If it's missing, the tool won't crash or confuse you. It simply asks for the key and stores it securely in AV file for future use. After that, it checks if your system has the required tools installed, such as Tux and X4 Terminal. If anything is missing, it guides you through installing the necessary components before continuing. Once the setup is complete, you'll be greeted by a clean and focused user interface designed to boost productivity and clarity. AI Terminal X offers three main working modes, built for a different type of workflow. These include Quick Mode, Interactive Mode, and Command Suggester Mode. Quick Mode is designed for fast and safe execution. It allows only safe commands to run instantly and gives you two options for how those commands should appear. In the Persistent Viewer mode, all command outputs appear in one terminal window. This is great for running multiple or chain commands, so you can keep everything in a single view. For example, when you ask the AI, "Who am I?" it understands the request, generates a safe command, and executes it within the persistent terminal. You could also check disk usage or display a list of users, and much more than you think. This terminal runs inside Tux, and if you ever want to scroll through previous output, you just press Ctrl+B, then the left bracket key to enter scroll mode. To exit, press Q. If you prefer to run each command in a new window, you can switch to separate window mode. This opens a fresh terminal for every command, making it perfect for isolated or focused tasks. You might ask it to find recently modified files in last 24 hours, start a NEC listener on port 1034. Each task gets its own dedicated terminal window, keeping everything neat and separated. Interactive Mode, Total User Control. Interactive Mode is designed for users who want full control over every command before it's executed. Unlike Quick Mode, it doesn't automatically run any command, even if it's safe. Just like in Quick Mode, Interactive Mode lets you choose between Persistent Viewer mode. All commands run in one terminal window. Separate Window mode. Each command opens in its own terminal. Here, I will use the Persistent window with Interactive Mode. When you ask something like, "How my IP address?" the AI prepares the correct command but doesn't run it. Instead, it presents three options. Y means run the command. N means skip the command. C means copy the command to clipboard. This lets you decide what to do next every time. Examples: check IP address. I ask, "Show my IP address." AI suggested command for it. C. The command is copied for manual use. Runs lookup. I ask, "Perform look on ample.com." AI suggested command for it. Type in. The command is skipped. One more like. I ask, "Check Python version." AI suggested command for it. I type the command, runs immediately. Interactive mode is ideal for cautious workflows, environ, or when you want manual oversight of each step. Command Suggester mode. Command mode is a powerful feature of AI Terminal X designed to help you discover the best commands for your needs. It's ideal for when you're not sure which command to use or want suggestions based on your request. For example, let's say you ask AI Terminal X, "Show my name." AI will automatically suggest 3 different commands that can accomplish the task, along with an explanation for each one. AI will then recommend one command as the most appropriate and give you a detailed explanation. For instance, it might recommend the Huami command with a note saying, "This is the most direct way to display your username in a Linux environment." This feature is especially useful for learning. It allows you to explore alternative commands and understand their differences. You can easily compare multiple options and learn what each one does, giving you the flexibility to use the best command for any situation. By presenting multiple options and detailed explanations, Command Suggester mode helps you expand your command knowledge while ensuring that you're using the most effective one. Some crucial things to understand. Let's now cover a few very important points that every user, especially beginners, should be aware of. 1. Built for beginners, but not a shortcut to skip learning. AI Terminal X is strongly built with beginners in mind. The interface features and AI guidance are all tailored to help you get started with Linux more easily. The tool works very well and can help a lot, but it's not a replacement for actual learning. That's why I added a feature where, even if you ask the AI to do something, it doesn't just give you a command. It also explains what the command does. This gives you a chance to understand and learn. You must read these explanations and try to build your knowledge of Linux commands over time, because in the long run, understanding what you're running is far more important than just running it. 2. AI is controlled, not fully free. Many people might think, oh, bro, you just left everything to AI. No, absolutely not. The AI is tightly controlled. The prompt setup includes very strict instructions to avoid generating harmful commands. If a risky command is detected, the AI won't just run it blindly. It will pause, inform you clearly, and ask for permission. This system of layered checks, including AI rules, safety logic, and user input, ensures a safe environment. And yes, I will keep improving these safeguards with every update. 3. Learning is always one step away. One of the best things in this tool is that you can learn anytime, anywhere, no matter what mode you're in, quick, interactive, or Command Suggester. Just type something like, what is IP address? Describe the command if configure. What does this look up? The tool will instantly explain, tell you whether it's a Linux command or not, and even give you better alternatives if needed. Final thought. This tool gives you power, safety, and learning all in one place. But remember, it's not about just clicking run. The real goal is to understand what you're running, and this tool is designed to support that every step of the way. A tool built for everyone. AI Terminal X is not just a script or utility. It's a smart terminal assistant designed with real users in mind. It's developed by a me not to cause harm, but to revolutionize the way we interact with Linux terminals. Whether you're a beginner just starting your cybersecurity journey or an experienced user looking for speed and convenience, this tool adapts to you, safe, flexible, and built on strong ethical guidelines. Why does it matter? Because we've all spent too much time memorizing commands, fixing syntax mistakes, and Googling how to do the simplest things. Now it's time to focus on real hacking, real learning, and real results. AI Terminal X helps you be faster, smarter, safer, and more efficient every single day. A heartfelt thank you. When I first started building AI Terminal X, I shared a post outlining its vision and features. The response I received was overwhelming, full of positivity, support, and encouragement. Your support didn't just help the project. It helped me. It gave me confidence, direction, and energy to keep building. To everyone who commented, shared thoughts, or simply believed in this idea, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope this tool proves valuable to you, and I look forward to evolving it with your continued feedback and support. If you like it, please comment down your thoughts and feedback and repost it so that everyone can take advantage once again. Thank you so much.